Hey human, so I made pasta using agwalumo. Yes, so I'm a northern girl from Nigeria, southern Kaduna to be precise. And in the north we call this agwalumo. Is it agwalumo or agwal? Yeah, agwaluma. Agwaluma. Yes, agwaluma. Popularly known agwalumo, cherry, udara, African chef. Doesn't matter. What matters is I made pasta with it. Oh my goodness! I can't wait to show you how I made this, and I hope you are gonna give it a try. Alrighty, guys. Next slide. Hey here, man. I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, I have this unique recipe I made with pasta. Let's call it agwalumo pasta. So, spaghetti, agwalumo, I told you this is African cherry fruit. Then I have this hot pepper oil. I have my other pepper, garlic, dry herbs. My dry herbs is white peppercorn, cumin, FLANNEL. Now, to start this recipe, get hot water, salt, and start to boil your pasta. You can see my spaghetti is boiling behind. Then blend your agwalumo with enough water because we will be using the liquid from the agwalumo for this recipe. Blend really smooth. Remember to peel off the hard back of your agwalumo. I didn't use the hard back. Then sift everything together. Now you may be wondering, why am I wearing gloves? I'm wearing gloves because the agwalumo fruit has this gum that can really stick to your nails, especially if your nails are painted. Even if they are not, it's kind of for me personally it's uncomfortable, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. But I'll show you what I mean. See what I mean? The gum comes and it can be really sticky and makes working really messy. Anyways, let's make this recipe. Enough said about that. You want to start with your oil and your dry spices. The reason is so that you wake up, literally wake up the oils, the aroma, the flavors in those herbs. Then I am making this, I must say, this is a Nigeria fusion. This recipe is Nigerian. Why is it Nigerian? Because I'm adding fish and it is agwalumo. Hey guys. Now, if you like tangy pasta, like lemon pasta, you will love this. So, enough said. Stir all the dry ingredients with the fish for like 5 minutes, then add the pasta directly from the cooking, that's from the boiling of your pasta. Add the pasta water also. I eventually use the whole of this agwalumo liquid because we are looking for a creamy pasta. That's our recipe. It has to be creamy. So add 1 cube of KNOR or any seasoning cube of your choice. Now this is Hamatan and dry season in Nigeria. Cubes, seasoning cubes are usually hard. Tip: put that across a heat and it becomes soft like this. Cover for like 4 minutes and voila, we are ready. Beautiful. This recipe is so unique. Oh my goodness. Now, I said I was going to share the benefits of agwalumo. It has tremendous benefits, very high in vitamin C. Its fiber is good for your gut health. I hear it is good for blood pressure. It increases sperm count, reduces cholesterol levels. It has nutrients like zinc, magnesium, calcium, potassium. And after plating, I decided let's add some butter to this. All right, guys. Like I was saying, it is packed full of nutrients, vitamins. This is just me garnishing it with efo, alayeho, spinach, and voila, guys, that's it. Oh my god, how was that, guys? If I must say so myself, it was an amazing recipe. Like, oh my god, who would have thought? Really, who would have thought? Guys, my goodness, guys. So, I have put in so much effort to try out this recipe. This is the first time I am trying out this recipe, and it is not a miss. It is delicious. If you love tangy and some tartness in your food, you will love this. So it will be nice if you like this video. Share this video and let other people see this recipe by the amazing, the beautiful chick. I'm just joking, but hey, please share the video. It will just show that I'm doing awesome recipes. And leave me a comment about what you thought of the agwalumo pasta. Agwalumo pasta. Alright guys, I love you. You know I do, right?